this.
I'm actually really nervous about this one. Back at Bird Creek. Whew.
Camera. I didn't know this. Is it weird that the trees are like this? Have to be careful because the entrance is rotted in. Yeah, this is it. That leaf moving scared the shit out of me. All right, starting up an EVP session here at the Bird Creek School. Gonna see if anything happens.
Is that door down there?
It just goes to the back. It's just, this place is creepy.
What the hell's supposed to be in here?
Maybe like a bathroom.
Huh?
Maybe restroom? I don't know. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
What? Did you hear something?
Thought so. Was that you?
No.
Why do you always assume it's me?
What was that?
Why do you never ask for it? Hey, is that you? You always look and say, is that you?
What the hell is Billy doing?
I don't know. Billy. Oh, motherfucker. Please tell me you kicked that.
I didn't kick anything. There's nothing behind me to kick, Brennan.
Okay. Billy? You missed something? Billy? We keep hearing Like, I'm talking like shit.
We do hear.
Oh, fuck, that was you. Oh, fuck.
What?
I heard him, like, mess with his backpack. I was just like, oh, fuck.
What the f under the stairs?
Okay. I'm getting scared. That's not something you want to hear. And it was this.
Yeah, I know.
There's no place it would come from up there. I mean, that's like a part of the wall, see? That's drywall. Should we do an EVP session, like an actual EVP session? Like, not just the EVP there. Like,
Are there any spirits here with us tonight? Was that you throwing that rock at us? Could you make another noise? Okay. Do it again.
this place is really creepy.
Yeah. Insane.
Like,
What the fell? Just another piece of drywall?
I can't tell if they're like falling from the ceiling or,
This one came from right here, but look at it like.
but like there's nowhere for it to come from out.
Okay. What was that? Oh, that was okay.
Drywall.
That wasn't drywall. That's wood.
Either wood or f***ing brick.
You make that noise again? Are you f***ing kidding me?
Billy, something's here.
If you want us to leave, can you make that noise again? What was that?
That was really subtle, like, almost. What was that noise though? Like,
No.
Could have been that?
that wasn't there before though. Was that?
Was that there before?
I don't remember, like, I don't remember there being any wood on the floor other than up there. There was floor up, like,
There is no wood here.
see, there's a lot of wood up here, but there was no wood down here. Other than the floor, of course. That was me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like, see, if I throw this,
Had to be that.
that was it.
That was the sound.
But
Where'd it come from in the first shot?
There's no possible way for it to come from up there, though. There's none.
that's real. That's too small to be for up there. That
Well,
looks
like, you know, you don't,
floorboard
you
almost.
don't, yeah, it's like the floor. It's part of the floor. So where's it coming from?
like, shit. What if there's like bodies right down there?
Don't say that.
Don't say that. Don't fucking say that.
Well, ask them.
Are there any bodies in the floor? Is that the reason why? Was this school built on burial grounds? Is that why your spirit haunts this place? If there is a spirit here.
I think it's official. This is burial grounds and someone's buried here.
Maybe. I don't know. I want to stay a little bit longer. Or...
I'm freezing.
That's our key.
That's our you're leaving.
We'll leave you between mine.
Bye.
We just got done exploring the Bark Creek School. We're getting the hell out of here because there's noises and shit gets keep going throwing at us and stuff. Hope you like this video. If you do, we'll continue more. Hit like and subscribe. We'll keep doing this because it's actually kind of fun, even though it's terrifying. And I gotta give a big shout out to Temperance for allowing us to have use their song "Broken Promises" to use for our intro video. Big shout out to them for allowing that. It was awesome. Thank you guys.
I thought I saw someone in the doorway.
I don't say that.
No, like you see the white? I could have swore I saw someone standing right there.